In the weather site, we have built three components for displaying the forecast temperature, precipitation, and weather conditions. However, we would like to indicate to the site visitor the current time using a visual cue. We will refer to this cue as the time indicator. We want the indicator to replicate across all three components. What is more, we would like this to be a combination of JavaScript working with CSS. There should not be a physical HTML markup in building the indicator itself. If you have a div or other element being used to indicate the indicator's location, it should be deleted or commented out. You should already have the CSS to style the indicator, here referred to as the ball. In order for this to work, all hour-based elements inside of the gray circle should have a class, even if it is empty. See the code shown in the video. With the CSS in place, you can test it by manually inserting the ball class into the class attribute of any hour, and it should be displayed in the browser. Save your work as you progress. Then, open the functions.js page, scroll to the bottom, and add a comment and the function as shown in the video. You'll notice that the function should receive an hour, a value of 1 to 12, as a parameter. It then looks for any existing class value of ball, and if found, removes the class from the HTML element or elements. Next, it looks for any element that identifies an hour. In my code, the hours all exist in the inner circle designated with an I, preceding the hour as a class value on the element. With all of the inner elements identified and stored into an array, the array is then parsed, and when an element that indicates the hour that matches the parameter is found, the class of ball is added. The presence of the class causes the CSS to then style that element to implement the time indicator. Moving to the top, within the DOM event listener, add a comment indicating that the time indicator function is being worked with. Add a variable and give it a value between 1 and 12. Call the function and provide the hour variable to the function as a parameter. Save the file and open the browser to ensure that the time indicator is working. Try several changes to make sure it works. The code itself is not difficult, but it is the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript working in concert that makes everything work.